So our day begins. Our first task of the day. We have to walk and walk and walk. We're taking her to the zoo. This is not as per as itinerary, but this is what it is when you have a kid. So we have to walk for 44 minutes now. She's in the pram, so it's fine. Chalo, chalo, bye bye. Just came across autumn leaves. Oh my god. Chubu, autumn leaves. It happens naturally. Nobody did it. So now we have to walk when it's green. And when it becomes red, we need to stop. Red leaves. Everywhere autumn leaves, guys, and they are cleaning it. It's so pretty. You know, I love autumn. That's my favorite season. The colors of the leaves changing. It is so beautiful. And it's so amazing. Look at them cleaning it. And everything is so clean. We just came to search for my foundation at a drugstore. They don't have it. But yeah, but these are amazing, guys. I'll come back and do all my shopping now. No time because I have to take her to the zoo. Lock kholna hai, lock kholna hai. Huh? Picked up matcha, red bean, moji. It's so delicious. Too good. So on the way, when we're coming from there, we saw this park where she can enjoy a little bit. She's so happy. Slowly, slowly. Don't fall on this, it'll become dirty, okay? Your dress. Huh. And if it was peak of autumn, this would have looked like paradise, guys. Full autumn leaves. It's still there on top. No, I don't think there's something else. I think there's not autumn leaves. Want to sit on that? Oh, want to sit on that? Want to go? One more slide is there. She looks bored out here. Lots is now a small park. Come, we'll go to the zoo, okay? Put your one leg. One leg. Other leg now come up. Put. Now shake. Slowly, slowly, yeah? We reached the zoo. I think this is a zoo here. Iske andar. I think so. I'm not sure. But see the autumn leaves. Oh my god. But we're just taking a break here. Tired. She's so happy. She's enjoying. No, nobody likes. You sit. I'll push you, okay? You hold tight. Put your legs up. Don't fall. Hold tight. Hold tight. So we've come to the zoo. It's not a zoo actually. It's like it's free first of all, and you can hold all the animals. Maybe you can feed them. It's a different experience, and she loves hamsters. She has a small hamster there. She's holding a real hamster here. You like it?
Yes.
It's a different experience. Come, Chubu. See, there's goats. No touching, huh? No touching. Sheep. See sheep. See big fat sheep. Go inside. There's deers also. See deers. See deer. See deer. You can do that. You can bow down and see. Come. What's over there? What's that? Cat? Cat? Isu is a cat. Isu, come. I think it's a cat. Isu is a rabbit. I forgot what's an Isu. Okay, okay. Squirrel. 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 See, where is squirrel, Chubu? Sleeping. They're sleeping. Come. In the proper.
Street food restaurant.
Oh.
For egg?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Not amazing. No, open.
You see first.
No.
Don't, auntie, shouting. Don't scream.
See.
See.
I don't want to cut it. No.
Auntie's giving you a spoon. See, green color spoon.
No.
Okay.
No.
Yes, sir.
It's not that rice, but it's sauce and give her in a plate she'll take.
The egg is
I
so
was telling
good.
this, you can listen.
The egg is so good. And with the rice, the sauce. Mmm. Not even kidding, guys. This is a hidden gem. And there's only one auntie cooking. And the food is oishi. Too good. What are you saying? She is an awesome cook. Zabardast. Gozaimashita. Thank you so much. She even gave some clips to Chubu, a toy. Bye. Tell bye. Yeah, coming back. Yeah. Bye. Arigato. I wanted to come. Now we are at this drugstore, Matsuya, and I wanted to buy a hairbrush and a comb from this brand for my daughter. And I thought I have to separately go to the store, but I found it here, so I'm going to buy it here. And this brand makeup is amazing. Can Make. Oh my god. And finally I got the camellia oil, which is amazing, and I bought all of them for the hair, for shiny hair, for the hair cream, everything. It's amazing. Yeah, that color. Thank you. Okay. This.
Hi.
Thank you. So we are booking a taxi because we are getting late. We have to go and pick up our car which we are renting, which will take some time. IDP sab liya. It's raining.
कार सीट रहेगा नहीं रहेगा वो सब क्या गारंटी है?
Kids. Okay. Just picked up some water. You're super thirsty. She's not ready to share her water with us, so we just gone and got some water. Today I feel I'm so freaking strong. In quite a bit of rains, I and my husband walked for like 3 or 4 kilometers. Not sure to check it up, but many kilometers for sure. And she's completely covered in the raincoat I had bought, so she's sleeping inside over here. And my husband is gone to get the car which we are renting.
Navigation in the language English.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Navigation.
no.
Oh. English no?
Yeah, I know English.
English?
Yeah.
Car navi.
No.
Sorry.
So she's sleeping over here and we are going. पता नहीं लड़का मुझसे बात कर रहा था, क्या बात कर रहा था मुझे पता नहीं. Anyways, I feel I'm like super strong. Incline. This प्राम का वसूली टोटली हो गया है. इतना मैंने चढ़ा वड़ा सब कुछ, और जो ड्यूटी फ्री का शॉपिंग किया है वो नीचे है. ड्यूटी फ्री टैक्स फ्री. And I've carried this load maybe about 15 to 20, her weight also. Has it 20 kilos or more than that. I think this is the car we are taking. I'm not sure. I think this is the car we are renting. Pata nahi. Anyways, should I move this? Move it?
How other? How old are?
Old 3 son, Ichi Nissan
3.
3
Oh. 3.
car seat.
Bed child seat.
Yeah, car seat. तो ये कार वाला ये तमें लगा वो क्या पूछ रहा है मुझे. So he's picking up the car from Toyota. This is the car we are going to. I think so. मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा. I think so. Yeah, this is the car. Yeah. Yes, हो गई है मस्त. It's very cold, rainy. She is must sleeping. We are really, really tired actually. My husband wanted to take this car actually and go. But I said, and the rent is quite a bit for this. I said like only 2 or 3 of us, right? We don't need such a big car. If Mom was there, I can understand, but otherwise I don't think so. But yeah, of course this car is too good and the experience in this car is amazing. But we can save a lot of money by taking this small car. So like that. Car seat is come. You know what's the best feeling? We came on time. We booked for 7 o'clock and we reached on time. My husband, we all were literally running. So I think I'm like super strong now. Apart from the breastfeeding phase, I think like today's was something, and we did total vasuli of this pram. My husband before coming to Japan wanted to buy new pram. I'm just like, don't buy. Let's use this properly, vasulify it, and then we can think of a new pram. And I can say today like we vasulified this completely. So today was an amazing experience, guys, and that lunch we had, she was a Chinese woman and she's staying here in Japan, and the food was outstanding, a hidden gem. It's so nice here from the hustle and bustle of the city. It's so good because in 2016 we visited all touristy places and it was horrendous. It was so crowded. And this time it's so peaceful, it's so amazing, and I love this life. It is so good, guys. It's amazing. So unfortunately we cannot rent the car because of some issues with the driving license out here. My husband has paid a bomb for this, but they're rejecting it, saying that there's some error in the size. I don't know Telangana ka kya hai scene, but they rejected it, so now we are not going to Fuji, which I planned a surprise.
He doesn't know what is acceptable.
So we have taken a taxi from the place we are planning to rent, and we planned to rent, and now we're going home. Chubu has got her finally, and she's crying. She's sad because her chips is not there. So we told her we'll give her me chips. Why are you crying? So just waiting to reach a location. We are extremely tired. Not tired actually. I'm not tired.
Not tired.
You're tired? No. You'll wash it. You eat it. It's okay.
No.
So basically why IDB got rejected, they do not have an actual reason, but they said we wanted it in like a booklet form, a A6 photograph size and all that. It's sad, but I think whatever happens for the good, because my husband's birthday plan was going to be at a beautiful, super expensive hotel which I booked. But that's a flop now, but I think whatever happens for the good. I'm taking it that way. So we have a lot of spare time and I saved money also. It's 9:30 and we have come out again. We are quite far from our Airbnb property. We're just exploring because we're sad that it got cancelled, and we requested the hotel people to cancel it too. I hope it's cancelled because they're very difficult to go otherwise over there if you don't self-drive. So we are here. ये कुछ इतना कुछ खास नहीं है. Then we're here. I thought this was also a mart, but I think it's a restaurant. So we're skipping this. We're going to go ahead and see. Every 7-Eleven is different. Some places they have quite a bit of things. Some places they don't have. Kanjala spread, I think. So we just don't give jerks. Such Ubu behind. Very gently go. If she gives a sudden jerk, na, this whole damn thing goes back. So anyways, now let's see, my husband is inside. And the autumn leaves are still so beautiful. Oh my god, I'm so happy we're staying outskirts. It's not very crowded. It's so amazing. It's 9:30 and we are out. It's cold, but not so cold. It's okay, unless it rains. When it rains, it's terrible. In winter, you're wondering what can you have hot when everything else is so cold. So when you see anything in red, that means it's hot. You might not get water, but you'll get a lot of drinks made of coffee and everything. This is hot. Blue is cold. Blue is cold. Keep that in mind. And you'll see like this vending machines everywhere.
And huh? Oh, I'm not talking to her.
Sorry, sir.
Juice है
क्या मिनट मिनट का जूस है
हाँ.
7-11 से ले लो एक जूस
Alcohol.
Cute, Mama, so cute.
अल्कोहल है
Go. You give you
नो आई डोंट नो
Why?
वेट
मस्त है ना
नाइस
थैंक यू arigato मस्त
तो ड्रिंक बर का ड्रिंक बर का कुछ बोला नहीं
Masu.
ड्रिंक बार है तो आस्क हिम 200
Masu. Joshua. And go.
ओके You should eat it in begin.
Finish?
Finish it and
Eat it. Cup.
No. I'm eating
He's thirsty.
so.
तो ड्रिंक बार के भी पूछो
पानी दे दो
हाँ
काटते रहते
जो 200 एन है एक मिनट बिरयानी एन के लिए था और तिरामिसू
200
वो ड्रिंक बार चुको चुको
Use.
and water is still very heavy. Take a bite of this. Take a bite of this at least.